Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a dash cam showdown between two top contenders in the market. On the left side we have the SUVCON Dash Cam, and on the right side we have the UHD Dash Camera. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes in at $199, while the UHD Dash Camera is priced at $179. Looks like we have a budget-friendly option here. But remember, folks, price isn't everything. Let's dive deeper into the features. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams bring their A-game. The SUVCON Dash Cam boasts a triple camera setup with a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a 150-degree waterproof rear camera. It even has an IPS panel screen for a crystal-clear picture from any angle. On the other hand, the UHD Dash Camera takes it up a notch with an 8K front and rear recording capability. That's right, folks, we're talking Ultra HD. With a wide-angle lens and super night vision technology, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail, even in low light conditions. Now let's talk about the extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes equipped with a G sensor and parking monitor. It automatically activates emergency recording and locks the footage in case of sudden shakes or collisions while your car is parked. On the other hand, the UHD Dash Camera offers a built-in GPS system that accurately records your driving location and speed. Plus, it has a handy app for iOS and Android smartphones, allowing you to download and share your footage with ease. Storage is always a concern when it comes to dash cams. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes with a 32GB SD card, eliminating the need for an additional purchase. It also features loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest video when the storage limit is reached. Meanwhile, the UHD Dash Camera provides a free U332GB micro SD memory card, supporting up to 128GB. It also has a G sensor that detects vibrations and collisions, ensuring important footage is protected from being overwritten. Last but not least, let's talk about installation and operation. The SUVCON Dash Cam is plug-and-play, making it super convenient to set up. With its easy-to-understand display and user-friendly key settings, you'll be up and running in no time. Similarly, the UHD Dash Camera offers a straightforward installation process. Plus, it has a 24-hour parking continuous recording function, provided you purchase a separate hardware kit. It's all about keeping your vehicle safe even when you're not around. According to Amazon reviews, customers have praised the SUVCON Dash Cam for its clear video quality, easy installation, and coverage of all angles. Reviewers recommend it for its affordability, user-friendly interface, and loop recording. On the other hand, the UHD Dash Camera has received positive feedback for its high-resolution lens, wide-angle view, and easy installation. Customers appreciate its excellent picture quality, night vision, and ability to monitor and record while parked. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the SUVCON Dash Cam and the UHD Dash Camera in various categories. Both have their unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase to ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.